welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. Today is Sunday, April 11th. These deals started today and they are good up until Saturday, April 17th. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, then just keep on watching. And then also, you guys, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that I got so far. I do have a few transactions. I want to say that I have about 5 or 6 transactions, and the reason why I have that many transactions is because some deals I couldn't do together because they were giving back the same registry reward, so I needed to split those transactions up. Also, you guys, I am outside, so I hope that this video is not too windy, so hopefully I can get it done before the wind picks up. So in my first transaction, you guys, I should have had this spread it out better, but in my first transaction I have 2 of the Suave Max Holds, 2 of the Garnier Fructis, and then I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Garnier Hold Blends. And so with the Suave Max Hold, they are priced at 2 for $6 this week at Walgreens. We do have a $3 digital coupon. When you use that coupon, that will bring your total down to $3, or it will make each one just $1.50. And then with the Garnier Fructis right here, these are priced at 2 for $7 this week. We have a $4 digital coupon when you buy 2. So $7 minus that $4 digital coupon will bring your total down to $3 for both, or it'll make each one just $1.50. And then right here, I also grabbed 2 of the Garnier Hold Blends. These are also priced at 2 for $7. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. So $7 minus that $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $3 for both, or it will make each one just $1.50. Also on this transaction, you guys, I used the get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. And then also with this deal, when you spend $20 on select hair products, there are different ones that you can choose from. You just have to look in the ad. But when you spend $20, you will also receive back $5 in Walgreens cash. So when you purchase the 2 Suave, the 2 Garnier Fructis, and the 2 Garnier Hold Blends, that's going to bring your total to $20. You're going to use all 3 of those digital coupons. That's going to bring your total down to $9. You will receive that $5 register, that $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20 on the hair care products, and then you will also receive the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $20, the digital booster. So with that, it's going to make these completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker, which is a really good, really awesome deal, you guys. So let me show you my receipt. So as you can see, the Garnier Hold Blends rung up at $3.50 each. The Suave 2 for $6, the Garnier Fructis 2 for $7. So my $4 digital coupon came off for the Garnier, the $4 digital came off for the Fructis, and the $3 digital came off for the Suave. So that brought my subtotal to $9. I did use my PayPal debit card to pay for that. And then as you guys can see where it says earned this visit, I did earn $10.20 back. So again, this transaction was completely free, plus a $1.20 moneymaker, which is fantastic. So this is a super nice and easy newbie friendly deal to do, especially if you have the booster get $5 when you spend $20. So that's my first transaction, you guys. And then in my second transaction, I just went ahead and grabbed both of these big Soleil razors right here. I know that they're scattered out, but I grabbed 2 of those, and they are priced this week at Walgreens for $5.99. And the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and pick up 2 at $5.99. We have a $4 digital coupon on the app. That coupon was actually clipped to my account for a while now, so it may not be available. But if you don't have the $4, we also have a $3 digital coupon. And then you can also go to coupons.com and print off a $4 coupon. So I used my $4 digital and my $4 paper coupon. So both at $5.99, that would bring your total to $11.98. In coupons, that's $8. So $11.98 minus $8. That will bring your total down to $3.98. And when you buy two, you will receive that $4 registry reward. I did receive my $4 registry reward, guys, but I used it in another transaction. So with me receiving that $4 registry reward, it made those razors completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Now let me go ahead and show you my receipt. I did have an issue with my digital $4 coupon not coming off, but I did contact customer service and they did credit that to my account. So as you can see, they both rung up at $5.99. The $4 paper coupon came off. The $4 digital should have. So $7.98. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash. And then I did get back my registry reward, in which I used in another transaction. And I got my $4 back for the digital coupon not coming off. So that made those razors completely free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then, guys, in my third transaction, I went ahead and grabbed both of these Dove Refreshing Cucumber and Green Tea body washes. Now, I have a customer who is brand loyal to Dove, and she likes the cucumber scent specifically. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed two of those. Now, those are priced at Walgreens this week for $6. So you will go ahead and purchase two. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will purchase two at $6, and that will bring your total to $12. Now, we do have a $2 digital coupon for the Dove. And then on my account, I also had an Only For You coupon, and it was a $3 digital coupon. So that's the one that I used. So $12 minus that $3 digital coupon. That brought the total down to just $9. And then I also used my $4 registry reward that I received from the razors. So $9 minus that $4 registry reward that I used, that brought my total down to $5. So I did pay the $5, and then I got back my $4 registry reward, which in my case, it made these just a dollar total or 50 cents each. But if you don't have a registry reward to use, you will pay $5 for both, or it'll make each one $2.50, which I think is still a decent price. And then I did get back my $4 registry reward for my Dove as well, but I used it on another transaction. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So both of them did ring up 2 for $6. My $3 digital coupon came off. My $4 registry reward, it brought my subtotal to $5. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, and I got back my $4 registry reward. So that's my third transaction. And then in my fourth transaction, you guys, I went ahead and grabbed two of these Gillette Comfort and Dry Tech Cool Wave deodorants. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $6. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and pick up two at $6. That's going to bring your total to $12. We do have a $2 digital coupon. With using that digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $10. And when you buy two, you will receive that $4 registry reward back. I did receive that registry reward back. I used it in another transaction. So with receiving that registry reward, that's going to bring your total down to just $6. But that's not it, because if you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a rebate for $1.50 back. The limit is 5, but I only purchased 2. So 150 times 2 is $3. So you will pay $6 to get $3 back from IBOTTA. That's going to bring your grand total down to just $3 for the both of these deodorants, or it's going to make each one $1.50. So let me go ahead and show you my receipt. So as you guys can see, both rung up at $6. So that brought my total to $12. The $2 digital coupon came off. That brought my subtotal to $10. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and I did get back my $4 registry reward. And then in my fifth transaction, I went ahead and grabbed this Crest 3D White Charcoal Toothbrush, and then this Oral-B the Crest 3D White toothpaste, and then this Oral-B toothbrush. So each of these are priced at Walgreens for $4. And the deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will go ahead and grab both of these at $4. That will bring your total to $8. I used a $1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste, and then I used a $2 digital coupon for the Oral-B toothbrush. So $8, and then I used $3 in coupons. So 8 minus 3 is $5. And then since I purchased two, I did receive my $4 registry reward back that I used in another transaction. So that brought the overall total down to just $1 for both of these, or it makes each one 50 cents. Now, of course, you guys already know that we can get these for free, but I wanted the registry reward, and so that's why I grabbed it. And so here's my receipt right here. My Oral-B at $4, my Crest at $4, my Oral-B digital $2 came off, my Crest $1 digital came off, so that brought my subtotal to $5. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, and I received back my $4 registry reward. And lastly, you guys, in my last transaction, I wanted to go ahead and utilize my $10 P&G coupon that I had. I don't know if you guys watched my previous Walgreens video, but I talked all about that coupon not scanning. And I knew that that coupon was not going to scan today, but I was just going to hope that they typed the coupon in, which they did. And so I wanted to stock up on some more laundry products because this is the main item that I sell in my bundles. So I wanted to stock up a little bit more. So I went ahead and grabbed a total of 5 Tide liquid detergents, a package of Tide Pods, and then I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these Downy fabric softeners. Now the deal with the Tide is they are buy 3 get 1 free. So I did that deal twice. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed 8. Also on this transaction, I used 2 registry rewards and 3 coupons. Each of these laundry items are priced at $4.99. Buy 3, get 1 free. I used a $2 printable coupon that I printed from the P&G website for the Tide liquid. I used one $2 coupon for the Tide Pods, and then I used a $1 coupon for the Downy. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts for this. So $4.99, $4.99, $4.99 free, and then right here where the Tide Pod says 99. So one of my registry rewards didn't scan, so he just price modified this Tide to 99 instead of $4.99, and he took off the $4 in place of the registry reward. So everything rung up like it was supposed to. And this registry reward did scan, and so he manually entered in my $10 P&G coupon, and then these are my paper coupons that I had. So it brought my subtotal to $6.94. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $1.94 out of pocket. Didn't get back any points, but I am super happy with this transaction, you guys. So this is my Walgreens haul so far. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to go back before this week's deal ends. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are getting this week. And that's going to be it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.